I might be coming inside in a minute. Holy dooly.
It is so noisy. We are about to get smashed. I hope our solar panels are alright. Oh my god, hun!
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Bloody lightning.
Here it is. Wow.
Holy. Shit, that was
Wow. Holy
Oh
fuck.
my god.
That's a big bit of hail. Stay back from the windows up. Far out. I've never seen hail like that.